So this product's our FM1 Breather Bag. The reason we invented this was to incorporate a filter bag with a BFM system to reduce dust leakage that you would get out of a regular breather bag where they have hose clips. This is pretty common in most powder plants. You'll have breather bags where you have a lot of powder falling into hoppers and things like that. You need to get the air out. So putting a breather bag like this on just allows the dust to stay inside the process while allowing all the air to vent out. So what's unique about this product is the BFM cuff. What that does is it prevents any kind of larger particles that would usually be filtered out by the breather material from coming out, like you might get in a hose clip type system, which just keeps basically all of the dust inside the process rather than letting any of it leak out. So this is a polyester needle felt. It's manufactured by a needle felting process which puts little holes in it, which allows all the air to breathe out, but the holes are so small that it only allows very, very small micron particles through. So there's a few different cleaning methods you can use to clean these breather bags. Some people tend to wash them. They use soapy water and things like that to get the product out. But you can also use just a simple air gun and blast it from the outside just to remove any sort of caked in dust that's on the inside. And doing that regularly will increase the life of the breather bag by quite a lot.